Hey there, it is your favorite remote work enthusiast, Delilah. Today, I'm going to share with you over 39 companies that will hire you to be an online transcriber. But before I get into that info, now is the time to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on the latest work from home opportunities. I post weekly work from home hot leads for companies that are hiring, as well as work from home information that I know you will find valuable. Before I get into all of the information about the different companies that will hire you to be an online transcriber, I want to talk about what a transcriber is. Now, if you're not familiar, a transcriber is someone who listens to audio files and then they type what they hear. And there are 3 different categories of transcribers. There are legal transcribers, there are medical transcribers, and then there are general transcribers. So a medical transcriber would type some audio file that maybe a doctor made, and a legal transcriber might type up some type of court hearing. Whereas a general transcriber might transcribe something like this YouTube video. And we've seen videos like that. If you've ever been watching a YouTube video and at the bottom of the screen, there are words popping up, that means somebody transcribed that. And I'm going to share with you companies that allow you to transcribe things such as YouTube videos. Now, when it comes to being a transcriber, the pay varies. You can earn anywhere from $10 per hour up to $30 plus per hour. And you can be paid per completed document or per hour. But it always breaks down to around $10 to $30 plus per hour. And there are entry-level opportunities, there's intermediate and expert level opportunities when you are an online transcriber. Now, another thing I want to mention is some opportunities require you to have what is called a foot pedal. And if you're not familiar with a foot pedal, it is a device that allows you to play the audio file, and you can fast forward it, and you can also rewind it by just tapping your foot. And that way you don't have to take your hands off the keyboard and you can just keep typing. And it makes it really easy and it helps you be more productive. And I always recommend, if someone is serious about having a career as an online transcriber, you probably want to go ahead and invest in that foot pedal. But don't worry, if you want to get started transcribing but you don't have a foot pedal, there are plenty of opportunities. And that's also some of the opportunities included in the companies that I'll share in just a minute that don't require a foot pedal. So I'm going to share with you opportunities that are across various industries, various levels, whether entry level or more experienced, and then some that don't require a foot pedal and some that do. But I'm just going to give you the resources, and I'm going to give you the direct links to those websites, and you'll be able to look into the company and see if it's something you're interested in. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into my screen share, and I'm going to show you where you can locate all 39 of these companies very easily. And yeah, all right, let's go ahead and jump in. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right on in. And I mentioned that in the description box below this video, you will have a single link, and that link will take you here. So we are at my website, remoteworklife.co, and we are looking under the mega list of jobs. So if you were to go directly to the website, you can just get to this page by clicking mega list of jobs. And when you scroll down, you will see this spreadsheet. Now, this spreadsheet currently has 460 companies listed, and all of these companies hire remotely. So they will hire you to work from home. But we want to find the transcription companies that I've been talking about. So all you need to do is go to the search bar right here and type in the word transcription. And when you type in that word transcription, you will have 39 entries. These are all companies that will hire you to be an online transcriber. And these links will take you directly to the career portal. So you'll want to
to go to each of these, or depending on what you're looking for, you'll go to these links and you will research the company. You'll see what they are hiring for currently. And to get to the other companies on this list, you would just hit this next button. So you can hit next or previous if you want to go back. But these are all 39 of these companies, and they all hire you to work online as a transcriber. So definitely come here and check them out. And if you want to see other opportunities, then there are plenty of other opportunities that you can view, and you would just clear out the search bar, and you can also search some of the preset tabs if you're looking for something else.
All right, there you have it. Those are the 39 companies that will hire you to work online as a transcriber. And I just want to mention again that these are perfect opportunities for those of us who are looking for true remote work. We want to be location independent, and we want our work to be able to travel with us, as well as those of us who don't want to be on the phone. Transcription opportunities are the perfect non-phone opportunities, and we can do them from anywhere, and we just need to listen to the audio file and just be accurate. That's really important when you're a transcriber. And especially for those of us who we have a home environment that sometimes is difficult to control the noise in. If you have a young child, or if there's just quite a few people in your home, when you're an online transcriber, you don't really have to worry too much about any outburst of noise, because you aren't on the phone or in a customer facing position. You just need to listen to the audio. So you do want to have a professional work from home environment, but if your baby starts crying or if the dog starts barking, it's okay when you're an online transcriber, because there's no one, listening to you. So hopefully this was helpful for you. Definitely share this on your social media, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Hey, if you're still looking for work from home opportunities, then definitely head over to my website, remoteworklife.co. I've got all of the work from home jobs on my website. I have a mega list of jobs that has over 270 companies that hire remotely listed. You can search by the type of opportunity you're looking for, or you can use the preset search tabs and it'll go ahead and do the searching for you. You can also look at who's hiring currently. I have a now hiring section. I also have a work from home shop where you can pick up all of your office needs. And then if you're looking for something specific, you can go over to this drop down list, and I'm always adding specific list of jobs that you may be looking for. So there's no experience jobs, no phone jobs, night jobs, high paying jobs, all sorts of jobs. So head over to remoteworklife.co for all of your work from home needs. Talk soon.